Hi there, I wanted to make this video to reach out to discuss some new filing obligations and more specifically the new filing obligations and rules surrounding trusts. When we talk about filing obligations for trusts, many people tune out right away when they hear the word trust and they think, I don't have a trust, this doesn't apply to me, and stop listening. That would be a mistake. And the reason for that is the new rules for filing and what they require for what we call express trusts. And what that means is that you may not realize that you actually have a trust scenario or trust situation. Most commonly, we see this when people add their adult children. So somebody adds their adult children to a joint non-registered account, or it becomes a joint non-registered account, typically doing that for estate planning purposes or convenience purposes. And what CRA has determined is that when you add an adult child to a non-registered account, and the intention is that that account is still going to be for the benefit of the original person, that is, say, mom's money, it's going to be mom's money. She's the only one spending it. She's paying the taxes on it all the way. I'm just on that account for ease of planning purposes. That is actually considered a trust. And moving forward, that is actually likely going to require a trust return to be filed. So it's really important that you understand that you may actually have a trust even though you don't know that you do, and reach out to your tax preparer, reach out to your accountant. When in doubt, absolutely reach out, and when in doubt, file a return. It's better to file one and not need to than to not file one if you do need to, as the penalties are quite steep. Now, the penalties have been waived for this filing year, but starting next year, the penalties will not be waived, and they are $25 a day for not filing this. So it's extremely important to reach out to your accountant and tax preparer. Again, anybody who holds a joint investment account with a parent, anybody who is co-signed on a house for a child. So if you went on title and co-signed to help your child get a mortgage, that could be a scenario requiring filing. Any other joint accounts with anybody who is not your spouse are definitely things that should be considered and reviewed. Bank accounts, savings accounts, all of these things need to be brought up to your accountant. As always, if you have any specific questions, we are here. We are happy to answer them to the best of our capacity, or at least give you direction in terms of the questions you should ask to your accountant. Please feel free to reach out, and we look forward to talking to you. Have a wonderful day. Take care.